Hello, good afternoon everyone. Nice to meet you again. Welcome to our channel, Sumaga English Podcast The Pioneers. With me, Mr. Jainul. Thank you for attention. And here we will try to practice. We will try to improve our English by having some daily conversation. Well, today is Friday, 20 June 2025. I'm here with Mr. Rofi again.
Yes.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Rofi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
You know, Mr. Rofi, today is the last day for our students
Yes,
to go to the school because today we have delivered their report to their parents. Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Okay. What do you do this morning for your duty?
My activities just now in the morning is parking motorcycle.
Oh, yeah.
Motorcycle of.
You rule about the
Yes.
motorcycle, yeah?
Yes,
Of the
yes,
case, yeah?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
for the guardian children. And then, what time do you start to do your duty?
I started from 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, at 7 o'clock in
And
the
then,
morning
where?
and finished about 11 o'clock.
At 11, yeah? Okay. And then, what do you feel about having your duty this morning?
Oh, it's very tired, sir.
Very
because-
tired.
Yes, of course, because
Do you do it alone?
no,
No.
sir.
How many
There
person
are
help you?
4 friends.
Four
There are
friends, yeah.
yes.
Okay. Who are they?
Friends, but Mr. Abidin
Mr. Abidin,
and Mr. Joni,
Mr. Johnny,
Mr. Bandi,
Mr. Fandi, and
and Mr. Insan Masuk.
Mr. Insan Mansuri. Mr. Boy, yeah?
Yes, Mr. Boy.
Why someone call him Mr. Boy?
Ah, the story is
The story, how is the story? I don't know. Please tell me about the story.
actually, sir, it comes from me.
Oh,
The first
yeah.
time it comes from me.
Actually, the real name is Mr. Insan, yeah?
Insan Mashuri.
Oh, Insan Mansuri, okay.
A long time ago,
Uh-huh.
when he arrived in the school,
Uh-huh.
sir, sometimes I make some joking with him.
Okay, and then?
And because I'm very like to have joke with someone,
Uh-huh.
when I call him Mas Huri,
Yes.
maybe it's not polite, sir.
Okay.
It's impolite, sir.
Implied, yeah?
Yes, yeah, that's
Okay.
implied.
You think that it is not implied?
Yes.
It is not
Because
polite, yeah?
yes,
And then?
it's not polite. So I make it
Easier.
yeah, make it easier.
Uh-huh.
So
By calling
I change his name by Insan Mas Boy.
Oh, my God.
That's the story, sir.
Okay.
That's the story, sir.
I'm so surprised for the first time when I came here.
Yeah.
When I asked to Mr. Andriono,
Uh,
Mr. Andriono, where can I borrow some keys for the office room? Oh, you can call Mr. Boy. Mr. Boy. Who is Mr. Boy? Someone who sweeps the floor in the teacher's room is the name is Mr. Boy. Okay.
Mr. Boy.
And then I call him Mr. Boy. And I asked him actually, why everyone call you Mr. Boy? I don't know, so.
That's the first time.
Okay,
I
that's
call
fine.
him
So,
Insan
It is
Mas
beginning
Boy.
from you to call
Yes,
him
yes.
Mr. Boy.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you remember when is it? 2 years ago? Three,
It's
3 years ago?
No, sir. Long time ago.
A long time ago, yeah.
It's about 10 years.
10 years more,
10
yeah.
years
Oh,
ago.
yeah.
10 years ago.
Okay, Mr. Rafi, yesterday when we have a podcast for the last time, yeah, there is someone call me. There is someone asked me, how can Mr. Rafi can speak English well? And now it's time for you, for the audience, for someone who asked me
Thank you,
about
sir.
Mr. Rafi.
Thank you.
I will ask him how
But
do
I
you
don't
get
think so,
a good
sir.
English right now.
I don't think
So
so. that-
when for the first time you study to speak English?
Actually, sir, when I studied in the school, when
Yeah.
I saw high school, I don't like English.
Okay.
I don't like English because that's very difficult for me to pronounce it.
Okay.
And I don't understand about grammar.
Who is your English teacher that time?
Mr. Sudirman
Mr. Sudirman?
and Ma'am Yuni.
Ma'am Yuni, yeah.
Ma'am Yuni.
Ma'am Yuni,
In
yeah.
SMA Tempe.
Oh yeah.
Ma'am Yuni. Ma'am Yuni. Lely.
Oh,
Miss Lely.
Miss Lely. Okay.
Lely.
So that time you don't like English because
Yes.
it is so difficult
It's
for you to
yeah,
pronounce
of
the
course,
English,
yeah.
yeah. And then
And then, but after graduate from the school, from
Uh-huh.
senior high school, I don't have plan to continue my studying, sir, because my parents there is no more enough money
Okay.
to fund my studying.
Okay.
To
No
fund my
fund,
studying.
yeah?
No fund, yes, of course.
Okay.
No fund for my studying. So, but actually I want to study. I
Yeah.
want to continue my study.
Yeah.
So
About English, yeah.
my mother asked me to register my name
Mhm.
in STK IPB Garin Majang, and
Okay.
there is no more choice for me that's
Mm.
suitable with my desire
Mm.
to have a good in my future.
So
For-
there is no suitable department.
Yes,
That
there is no
fits
suitable.
with your heart,
yes,
yeah?
there is no suitable department for my skill,
Yeah.
except memorizing something.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
when actually, sir, when I study in senior high school, I have some specialist technique to memorize something,
Okay.
sir.
To
So
remember,
I just
to remember something.
to remember something.
Remember the word in English.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Remember
How is
the
your
word in
technique?
English and remember something Ronovas.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Alhamdulillah, sir. And
So the technique is you remember the English of something around you.
yes,
Okay.
it comes from a simple thing.
Simple
For
thing.
example, like this box,
Okay.
kotak,
Okay.
paper. It comes from paper.
Okay.
And then, for example, like this hand,
Okay.
hand. When I memorize or read hand,
Mhm.
I pronounce it. Although that's not
Good.
good, although that's not
Yeah.
good for the pronounce, for the pronounce, I always try it. Sir.
Okay.
I always try it, and I complete this word
Uh-huh.
to be sentence.
Oh, see.
To be
So
sentence.
by remember one word,
Yes.
you try to make it in one sentences.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then although the pronunciation is not good for the first,
Yes,
but you
of
just
course.
try,
Yes,
try,
I try,
and then
try.
finally you will have a
Yeah,
good
like that,
pronunciation
sir.
about that
That's-
one. Okay,
that's it,
good.
sir.
And then what else? What next?
And sometimes make some conversation like this with
Uh-huh.
my friends in universities. sir.
University. Okay. What is
Yeah.
his name?
Usually, my friend Adnan,
Okay, Adnan.
Irin, and
Okay.
discuss together.
Okay.
And of course, there is no one have basic from English, sir.
Uh-uh.
No one person. When I study. in
So
the
they are in the
university.
same level with you
Yes,
in English.
yes,
Yeah.
of course,
Okay.
sir.
Next.
But when I have spirit, sir,
Yeah.
usually I go here, right, by cycle, sir.
Mhm.
Usually, long time ago, when I don't married yet,
Mhm.
I come here to have a job here to go SMA 3. Usually, I go by bike, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
And by bicycle. And
Okay.
of course, sometimes I hold a little paper about the list of vocabularies, and I always read it every day. So
Okay.
I always read it every day. For example, verb, go, pergi. When, gone. And I always change by the verb,
Okay.
by the
From the verb one?
irregular verb.
Oh, yeah. Verb 2 and verb 3.
Yes, of course, like that, sir. I always try
Regular
it, sir.
or irregular verb?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Like
Next.
that. And then when I review, sometimes if I have spare time here, sir, when there is no one student buy something here,
Okay.
of course I always memorize it
Okay.
again. I bring my book here.
Okay.
I bring my book.
Okay.
A little book from Pare, from my friend.
So you have ever come to Pare, Kediri?
Yes, of course.
To study English there?
Yes, just once, sir.
Just once. How many
Only
days?
4 days.
Only 4 days.
days.
Okay.
Uh,
How much do you pay for the course there?
I don't pay, sir, because that's SMA 3 program, sir.
Oh,
When
see.
Mr. Widyawati lead here,
Uh-huh.
she made that program, and all of students and teacher go there together, sir.
Oh, see that.
Yes, 4 days. Every 4 days, go there, and then after go home from
Yeah.
there. Mr. Widyawati
Okay.
make a program to have English day.
English day.
Every Friday, sir.
Every Friday. So everyone must speak English.
Yes,
yeah?
of
Okay.
course, but there is no result for it, sir, because
No good response.
yes,
yeah.
no good response from student because maybe it comes from their
Their
heart,
spirit.
their spirit.
There's desire.
Yes, their
maybe, yeah.
desire.
There's their empathy. Maybe
Yes.
they don't have a good response to
For
practice
yes,
the
of
English.
course,
Yeah.
sir. But actually, I always support it, sir, because I know next time the English is very useful for them.
Yeah.
It's very useful.
Okay.
Some-
So if you count it, how many years have you studying about English? How many years?
how many years?
when you graduate from senior high school, yeah.
Yeah, when I
What
graduated
time is
from
that?
my,
What
it's
year?
about 4 years, sir. Only 4 years.
Okay, for you.
Only 4 years, but I have some difficulties,
Mm-hmm.
some obstacle,
Mm-hmm.
because after I was graduate from university, there is no partner for me.
Oh, I see.
And I don't be a teacher, sir.
Nah, you do.
Maybe if
You
if I become a teacher, maybe my English will be improved.
Improve,
maybe,
yeah.
maybe,
Okay.
sir, maybe. But here, from my heart, I don't want to be a teacher, sir.
Why? Why
I
you
don't know,
want
sir.
to-
I don't know.
Why don't you want
I
to be
don't-
a teacher?
Maybe I will more comfortable to have job here, sir.
To have a
Maybe,
job
sir.
here to become the canteen
Canteen
keeper,
keeper,
yeah.
maybe, sir.
Or maybe because of the money is more.
Maybe. Of course, sir. Of course.
Okay. So
That's
become a
it, sir.
teacher, mostly for the KTT teacher.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes.
Usually the salary is very small.
It's very small, sir.
But
of
if you
course.
concern in that KTT program, so maybe 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years will be improve your status.
Yeah.
Become, for example, right now there is a P3K
P3K,
and
yeah.
then state employee like me.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, so I started to become an English teacher in about 1999. I am an English teacher in one MTS in Tukum.
Oh, I'm just
Yeah.
Alitihat, sir.
Al-Tihad,
Ah.
until 2004.
2004. As a mathematics teacher.
No,
sir.
English teacher.
English teacher.
I'm an English teacher. And then when I start to join the test of CPNS, yeah, 2004, I was successfully, and then I become a state employee 2005. Starting that time, I don't teach English anymore, but mathematics right now, until right
But
now.
you still practice it in
Yeah,
Danish ones, maybe,
yeah.
sir.
I teach in English in Danish starting in 1999 until 2006.
Oh.
2006. So 7 years I became English teacher in Danish first. And then after I become the state employee PNS, I stopped there, and then I concerned to mathematics until right now. But I never lose my English. Why? Because I always practice my English.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sometimes if I don't have a partner or someone, I always study. I always speak by myself. By myself.
Never mind. Of course, sir. Similar with me.
By telling
Mirror,
about something.
right.
Yeah.
Mirror,
By
sir.
telling about something, by remember about the activities that I do today. I think it's the way for me to practice our English.
Yes, of
And
course, sir.
right now when I'm in senior high school Tri Lumajang, I see that there are many potential people here. There are many potential students here, and then I try to practice it, for example, with Rahmat there, and then with you here. So
Thank
I'm
you,
very
sir.
glad,
Thank
yeah.
you.
So I'm very
Thank you.
glad if there is someone like you here to join and to support this program.
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay.
Of course. During this program is very important for the students.
Yeah.
Inshallah, I always support it, sir.
Okay.
Inshallah.
And for one thing maybe, you can inform, you can announce to another student. For example, for someone who come to your canteen and then, hello girl, would you like to join
it.
our program with Mr. Jainul and with
Yes,
me
yes, yes.
to make a podcast like this one? So introduce this program to our student because we need more students to join this program.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's all.
Yes, sir.
So,
Thank you very much, sir.
yeah, so everyone, we talk about how Mr. Rofi'i is starting to study English and practice it. You know all of the story about Mr. Rofi'i for the first time when he start to study English, and I hope it can be influence you, your spirit, your mind, how to make a good English by watching Mr. Rofi'i explaining about the history of himself to study English until well now. Yeah. Well, I think it's enough, Mr. Rofi.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for coming.
Yes,
Thank you
you're
for
welcome.
attention. See you
See
next
you.
meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, welcome.